Hi everybody, Anthony Tony Bried here with a save a date announcement. So on February 24th from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., Rancho Southeast Realtors is hosting a webinar called Using AI to Create Consistent Ethical Real Estate Content. I'm going to go over in about an hour how you can create a year's worth of content using AI. So AI is now your assistant to help develop your marketing strategy, what type of content to talk about for the cities you're marketing in, and then that way you can start putting together everything on Facebook, Instagram, Reels, video, everything that you can possibly think of. Let AI help you and assist you in developing that content. So again, to register for this, save that date, February 24th. Scan this QR code that's coming up. And that way you can register online through Rancho Southeast Realtors website. And I look forward to seeing you all soon. Have a great day. Again, February 24th from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Have a great day, everybody.